Hi, everybody. Welcome back. This week, we're going to talk about a few different things. We have a short week this week. We only have 4 days instead of 5 days. So on Friday, we won't be seeing each other, but we have a lot to cover Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay? So today, I wanted to talk about something we were talking about last week. Do you remember last week we talked about how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly? And what book did we read about a caterpillar who ate a lot? We read The Very Hungry Caterpillar. And remember, when caterpillars are born, they start eating right away, right? After they're born, after the egg hatches and they're born, a caterpillar, they eat a lot. So that very hungry caterpillar ate a lot. And we went through all the food that he ate. And we talked about what letter that food started with. Did anyone out there notice that we missed a few? That was on purpose. The reason is they begin with the letters CH. And you say, so what? Well, we haven't talked about this yet. Usually, what sound does C make? It can make two sounds, but the one we talk about the most in this class is k, k, right? Just like caterpillar. Caterpillar starts with the letter C, and it sounds like k. Okay, now, what does the letter H sound like? Remember when I had the big Dr. Seuss hat back there? H, remember, sounds like hat, hat, heart, hand. They all start with H. But here's the confusing thing. When you put C and H together, they make a special sound together. CH, when they come together in a word, not all the time. Sometimes they just sound like k and the H is silent. But a lot of times when CH are together like this, they make one sound, and it's different than the C sound and the H sound. Does anybody know what they sound like together? Anybody? They sound like ch, ch. So CH together sounds like ch. So I'll show you a few examples. This is cheese. Cheese starts with CH. Cheese. You hear the ch, ch sound, cheese. Here's another one. Chicken. Chicken starts with CH. Ch, ch, chicken. I'll show you another one. Who knows what these are? Yummy. These are chocolate chips, right? You can make cookies out of with chocolate chips, chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate and chip both start with CH. Ch, ch, chocolate, ch, ch, chip. All right, and let's do one more. We have, who remembers these pictures? What story was this from? This is a chair, and if you see how it's spelled here, it starts with CH, chair. Do you hear the ch sound? Chair. We have an orange chair, a pink chair, and a wooden chair. Does anybody remember what story this is from yet? And remember, this one gets broken. This is a broken chair. This was from when we read Goldilocks and the Three Bears, right? And this was Papa Bear's chair, Mama Bear's chair, and Baby Bear's chair. And Goldilocks broke Baby Bear's chair. So chair starts with ch, ch, C-H. Okay, so we can try to remember it, the sound of a choo-choo train. Ch, 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 right? Chugga, chugga, choo-choo. They all start with CH. Ch, 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 chugga, chugga, choo-choo. That's a lot of ch sounds, isn't it? So that sound is made by CH. So watch a quick video about CH, and I'll see you here when it's done. Ch, ch, ch,
cheese, cheese, cheese. Check, check, check.
All right, my friends, so that is CH. So now let's go back to the very hungry caterpillar. And now we can figure out those few foods that he ate that we didn't talk about last week. All right, so here we are. Who remembers the very hungry caterpillar? And this is how he started. After he hatched from the egg, he was small. So on Saturday, he ate, amongst some other things, what was this? Who remembers what this is? This is chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. Now listen to the sound. Chocolate. Do you hear the ch in the beginning? So what does chocolate start with? He ate one piece of chocolate. Chocolate starts with CH. Chocolate. Cake. Cake starts with C. Cake. What else did he eat on Saturday? This is Swiss cheese. He ate one piece of Swiss cheese. Now, what does Swiss start with? You hear the S sound. What letter makes the S sound? The letter S. Swiss starts with S, and Swiss cheese is the one that has all those holes in it. That's not just from the caterpillar. Swiss cheese has holes in it. And what does cheese start with? Cheese. We just learned this, right? CH. Now you know the ch sound is CH. On Saturday, there was one more thing that he ate that we didn't talk about. And it was he ate one piece of cherry pie. Now, what does cherry start with? You hear cherry starts with CH, cherry. And what does pie start with? Pie starts with P. All right, so after he ate all of that, remember, he got really big. And then what did he do? He went into the chrysalis into stage 3, and then he emerged stage 4 as a beautiful butterfly. So since we're here, why don't we do some sentences, okay? You try to call out the words in the sentence before I say them if you can, and if you can't, then you just repeat me. Look at the words and repeat, okay? So let's do the first one. The caterpillar is big. Good, let's do that one more time. The caterpillar is big. Okay, next one. I see my cheese. So now we can practice some of the CH words. One more time. I see my cheese. Okay, next one. He is in the chair. And you hear the CH for chair. One more time. He is in the chair. Excellent. One last one. The chocolate chip is, here comes last week's word, little. One more time. The chocolate chip is little. Awesome. All right, so hopefully you will remember CH makes what sound? Ch, like a train. Ch, chugga, chugga, choo, choo, ch. Okay, so that is CH. And again, it's not every time they're together, but a lot of times. Okay, and then you're also going to be doing another sheet about sounds, and there's a little bit of math in there. So I want to make sure, I know that you all do your math in Mandarin and in Spanish, and I know that you're doing a great job. I want to make sure that you know the numbers and some of the vocabulary for math in English as well. All right, so I'm just going to show you a quick example. So if I have these dots here, right? If I have these dots, I can rewrite this and say, how many dots do I have here? 1, 2, 3. Great, so I can write underneath 3. And what does this sign? How do we say this in English? Plus, right? 3 plus, how many is this? 1. This is an easy one, right? 3 plus 1. And what does this sign read? 3 plus 1 equals. So if you don't know that in English, this is equals. 3 plus 1 equals, everybody tell me the answer? 4. Good. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So those are the words that I want you to remember. If you didn't know them already, you probably do, but in English, this is plus and this is equals. And that whole sentence is called an equation. 3 plus 1 equals 4 is called an equation. So you're going to see just a few of them on butterfly wings today in your work, all right? So everybody enjoy your work and meet me back here for story time. We are going to be reading a book with CH in the title, and it's called, meet me there and I'll surprise you. See you later.